Finally, let's do some summary. We introduced 3 transformation equations, which is here, as well as the relationship between the direct stresses. The direct stresses are conserved. Also, we talked about the principal stresses, sigma 1 and sigma 2. Also, we observed that sigma 1 plus sigma 2 equals to sigma x plus sigma y, which consequently equals to sigma x1 plus sigma y1. Also, the method of finding the principal angles is given by tangent to theta p equals to tau xy divided by sigma x minus sigma y divided by 2. We also discussed about maximum shear stress, which is equal to plus minus r. It is also 1/2 of the difference between the 2 principal stresses. The relationship between theta s and theta p is also discussed. For Mohr circle, we used our concepts in transformation equation. We try to combine all those equations together to get a Mohr circle, which is look like this. The radius is given by r, where r is this bunch of stuff. Also, notice that for drawing Mohr circle, we adopt this coordinate system. We are not going to adopt this coordinate system. Instead, we adopt this coordinate system, sigma x1 and tau x1, y1. To construct a Mohr circle, first locate the point where theta equals to 0, as well as find the stresses for element inclined at different angle theta by rotating 2 theta in Mohr circle. So bear in mind that angles in the Mohr circle is 2 theta instead of theta. There are also some special properties of Mohr circle described in the previous exercise 6.2. We also simply introduced you the plane strain equations. So you can observe they are very similar to the transformation equations of the direct stress and the shear stress. However, there is also some difference that you need to bear in mind with. We also talk about principal strengths. For this tutorial, there are 2 exercise problems. Each of them carry 40 marks. The following table are for your reference and the self-evaluation. Again, a disclaimer is that the following table just gives you an estimate of your grade, and your true grade received after your final exam depends on your real performance during the examination, as well as your understanding to your course content. Finally, thank you for watching this tutorial, and see you in the next week.